Hi, my name's Tim, and my beautiful assistant Judy is taping this. We thought we'd make a short video to show you how we put together this birdhouse. I pre-drilled the holes for the nails, so it's just try to kind of keep track of which piece is which. You know, of course, the large piece is the back. The two with the angles are the side pieces. Part of the hole, of course, is the front. Your roof and the floor. Okay, so figure out which side is the front, facing the front of the back. Does that make sense?
And we have it written on there. It says,
It'll say front and back on it, but
it says, yeah, inside back, and that's the part that faces you.
so then you okay, now here's another important thing. As you're facing it, there's a piece with two holes in it. Now that's your right side.
We have it marked as right.
The part that doesn't have any holes at all is on the left. That's going to be the door. This part will be able to swing so you can get into the birdhouse, clean it out. So anyway, the tall part of the wood goes to the back. And this guy will go in here. That's the floor. This is the front, and it's marked front, of course. The three holes go at the right side. So if you're having trouble with that, those three holes go on the right and get nailed into this board. And then just for argument's sake, put the top on. Now this guy has a little bit of an angle. And that's the tall part goes to the back. And we've made a line on these back pieces right there. Try to line up your roof with that, centered on both sides. Okay, so that's basically how it's going to look when it's nailed together. When we put this thing together, we tried to, they're not all going to be the same, but we tried to make this bottom piece flush. The front, the sides, and this. This will hang down, so don't worry about that. That's how you attach it to the tree, or wherever you're going to attach it, of course. But this is all the same. Now, what you want to shoot for up here is a gap. It's going to be like a 1/4 inch gap in here. That's to let air in there, so the place can breathe, so it doesn't get any mold or mildew, I guess, in there if it gets wet. And it's the same on both sides. There's a 1/4 inch. Now down here, when it's nailed together as well, it's going to be a 1/4 inch in. It's kind of a show right now, but when you're going to nail it in, just keep in the back of your mind, this is going to be about a 1/4 inch around there too. The holes kind of line up with the board, so you'll see it when you start nailing. All right, so now that we know basically how this thing is going to look once it's nailed together, let's start nailing it together, I guess. The way I did it is I started with just having, first I'll nail the right side and the floor to the front. But to do that, what I did was pre-nail. Just a little bit so that the nails are handy when you're going to put it in. If you don't have any help to hold it, it's sometimes a little awkward. So if you start your nails, you'll have a running shot at this. This was a test one, so ignore these right here. Yours won't have these holes. Okay, so remember, when you go to nail it, the bottom edge is flush and the right edge is flush.
The bottom edge of the two big pieces is flush.
Right here. Right here is what you want to flush. As close as you can. I mean, if it's not perfect, that's okay. It's a birdhouse, so it'll be okay. So once you get it close and these nails are started, give one good whack to tack it, and then get your top one in. Okay, so once it looks good to you, then you can take it off the board. Finish now. So on the bottom again, remember, you want to make it so it's about 1/4 inch up, and it'll match up with these holes. Try to center this on that. So if you get it close, then you'll be good to go. So it's right about there. Okay, again, if you pre-nailed, it's a little bit easier. Just tack it in place and then throw it on there and finish driving them home. Okay, so after I get those two pieces in, what I did next was put in the door side. And again, like I say, you're going to make sure the back is flush, that's all, and the side is flush, as best as you can. Again, it's a birdhouse. This side, all we're going to be nailing is one on the top, one on the bottom, so that this door will swing out, right? So just double check, make sure everything's good. It is. And just finish nailing it. Okay. So then what I did was do the back. Now, this is the way it's set, right? So you don't want to nail this way. You don't nail from front. You want to nail from the back in. So again, get your nails started. All the way around. The sides, floor. And then the door. This is the one that it'll swing on. Okay. All right, so once everything's started, what you want to do is try to figure out where this guy's going to sit. Now, get your top and center it again, and put the top edge along that line. That'll give you the 1/4 inch gap right here. So that's about right. That's about where it wants to sit. So once you got the positioning, hold on to it, flip it. Make sure everything's flush. And then start your nails on this side, the part that you're nailing. Okay. Then check your everything's lined up, the holes match up, should be good to go. Okay, those are for the top. A little bit too far. If you drive them through too far, it's okay. Just push them back just a little bit. Okay, as you start them out, just double check and make sure none of your nails is missing the wood. Judy and I tried to do a good job of lining everything up, but you know, nobody's perfect. So just double check and make sure none of the nails are coming out. And then if they aren't, just drive them home. this is your hinge, if you will, for the door. So again, you can drive that home as well. See, that's how you'll be able to get in and out. Okay. Now let's get the top on. Okay, so the 3 holes line up with the front. So what I did was get those nails started on the top. And what we'll do is we'll hammer into the front first. Alright. Again, eyeball it. Get her as close as you can. Looks good. Get her started. Okay, looks like we hit it. That's good. Just bring them home. Okay, muy bueno. And then you put the, so you're still kind of lined up along that line. So just make sure that your nail holes line up with your board. If you can see that, you want to make sure, because if they don't line up, then you're going to have a mess. They're pretty close. So let's get started so we get it in. So we hit the line, got a gap. All we gotta do now is just nail them in. Alright, last thing to do is you have a nail in there. This is what's gonna act as to keep the door closed. So in a perfect world, if you lined up everything, this should match. And it doesn't. That's the tough part. There we go. Just take it out a few times. There we go. That's it. Then when you hang it up, you're good to go. If you come back later and want to clean it out, you take it out, clean her out. That's it. If you keep this at the house and you don't donate it, what I would do is just drill a hole right here and drill a hole down here and nail it to the tree. Pow. You're good to go. We did a pretty good job of sanding everything, but if you want to, maybe sand over it again to get the writing off of it, get some of the rough edges off of it, and then paint it, and you're done. Birdhouse complete.